How to create a QR code in Canva. That is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do in this page is to go here on the left screen and then just scroll down until you see this apps icon right here. So just click this apps right here, and once you click that, on the search bar, just search for QR. Once you do that, you will have a bunch of options, whether you want to choose this or this one. So let's say, for example, that we want to use this one right here. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to click the open button right here. And once we do that, just paste the URL. So let's say, for example, that this is the URL that we're going to use. So just paste it right here. And once we do that, just click generate code right here. And then it will now be automatically added into your Canva. Now, if you want to resize it, all you have to do is to drag this one right here, like that, and then make this a little bit bigger. And then once you're now content with this, you can now save it right here by just clicking the share button and then clicking the download button. So that is pretty much it. That is how to create a QR code in Canva.